In this video, I will share with you 11 ways on how to make $100 per day online from any place in the world. We have a variety of fast and easy methods that you can choose from and start making money even if you are a complete beginner. Hey guys, I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, the place where you can find important and valuable information on how you can make money online. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and remember that you can find all of the links to everything we mentioned in this video down below in the description. Now jumping into today's video, this is what you'll be looking into. 11 different ways that can make you $100 or more every day online. From anywhere in the world, easy to start, fast, beginner friendly, for side income or scalable to a full-time income. This video is going to be amazing for you and you're not going to want to miss a second of it. This is one of the most simple and fastest way to start making money. It's called Dutch and it's an application that you install on your phone. As you see here, it's available from the App Store and also it's available on Google Play. What this app gives you is cash back for shopping at places that you already shop at. Down here you can see all of the companies and shops that have partnered with them. Another great way to get cash from Dutch is to refer your friends and family. You'll get $5, as it says here, for each one who signs up and links a verified card. So this is a great way to start earning some cash online. So basically this app will pay you for two things that you already do. One of these being shopping, and the second one is recommending things that you like to your friends and family, and you'll get money for those two things. Be aware though that this app is only for people over 18 years of age and that reside in the United States. So if you comply with these two requirements, then you are ready to go and start earning money with Dutch. Another great way to make money for things that you already do is by taking photos. Companies like Shutterstock will pay you for the photos you upload, because basically what this company is about is selling those images you upload to other people that are looking for them. If we scroll down here to the end of this page, you will see the link that says sell content. If we click here, lead to this new web page where you share your work and start earning. Just click on the get started and you can follow the process to upload the original photos you have taken. Also, if we scroll down again to the end of this page, you can find a referral program access, so you can also do affiliate marketing with Shutterstock. It's a website called Flippa. And Flippa, it's basically a portal where you can buy and sell websites, but not any kind of website, but online businesses. So what you can do here is you can buy a website or an online business and you can keep it to receive the income that it's generating this website, or you can actually work a little bit on it and grow it so you can resell it for a higher price. Let's find us an example. If we filter here by started sites, let's say you want to invest just a little bit of money, and you see here different websites that are for sale. On this column it says buy it now, and the last column is current bid. So let's go down here and take this one for example. It says CEO help to 45.com. It says this website is generating monthly revenue of $797 and you can buy it now for $1,995. The current bid is on $1,550. If you were to buy this website for $1,995, you could actually get back this investment in 2.5 months, and all of the income that this website would generate after those 2.5 months, it would be net profit for you. Another great way to generate online income is by promoting Amazon products by being an Amazon associate. And you can promote these products on your social media networks, if you have a YouTube channel, or if you have a website, and you will get different percentage over the products you promote. The most common and effective way to promote products from Amazon is by making review videos or review articles and publish them on say, your website or a different website. And it makes a really good results if you know a little bit about these products and you can give your personal feedback, because a lot of people will be searching for them online and they really want to hear what you have to say about those products. The best part about promoting Amazon products is that if the person clicks on your links and also buys different products from Amazon, you will get a commission on all of the products that this person buys within 24 hours from clicking your link. Continuing with affiliate marketing, we have here one of the biggest companies for this kind of business, and it's called Clickbank. Clickbank features hundreds of products that you can choose from to promote and earn money from. We can go to this affiliate marketplace link and select one of the categories you're interested. For example, let's say you're passionate about cook, food, and wine. So if we click on this category, you will see all the products that you can promote on this niche. For example, we have keto resources. For every sale, you will get $22. If we go down here, we also have paleo hacks cookbooks, and for every sale, you get over $14. Or maybe if you're in the languages niche, you can click here and you'll find all of the products under the language category. Here is a great product called Rocket Spanish, and you get for an average sale $101. Like for Amazon products, what most people do is make a review on this product and upload it to YouTube, and they'll get lots and lots of money just with this video. If you see here, by just selling one of this Rocket Spanish product a day, you will earn those $100. Another great website for making money online, it's called Amazon Handmade, and it's like an Etsy but from Amazon. And you can reach this website by going into services.amazon.com/handmade. If you're into arts and craft, then you can make your products and you can upload into this Amazon Handmade and sell them on this platform. Amazon is the #1 platform where people come to buy online. So this is a great method for you if you're into arts and crafts. Another way we have for you to make money online is for you to open an account with Upwork. Here you will be working as a freelancer, and maybe you can be a web developer, a mobile developer, or a designer, or you can work on writing, you can give admin support, you can work on customer service, marketing, accounting, and many other categories. This is how it works. Let's say that a company is looking for a logo designer. And these are all of the freelancers that have different expertise and can help this company with a logo design. As you see here, this is what each of these specialists charge for the hour. For example, this is for $30, $60. When you create your account, you can give details on what are your expertise and what is your experience, and you can charge any amount of money that you see fit for 1 hour of your work. And here's what's most interesting about Upwork. It says here that this person has earned over $100,000, and here over $3,000. This person has earned over $5,000. So there is money to be made with Upwork and posting your profile to work as a freelancer. The fourth way you can start earning money from home is by teaching English. Now you might be thinking that you're not that good in English, but that's okay, because most of the people that come to this website are just kids that are looking to talk to someone to practice their English. So you can start by coming to cambly.com/en/tutors, and you'll get paid to chat with people from around the world. If we scroll down here, it says tutoring with Cambly is fun and rewarding, no experience necessary. Okay, so this is great for beginners. If you have no experience in tutoring or giving English classes, it's okay, it's not necessary here. It says you'll get paid $10 an hour, and they will deliver your earnings every Monday via PayPal. So you have to have a PayPal account, and you can do it anytime and from anywhere, and you can meet interesting people. This is really a great method for you to start earning some money online right away. Just click here on this Get Started button to begin with this method. The third way for you to make money online is by using this website called Udemy. People come to Udemy to take online classes and learn online different things, taking different tutorials. And what happens is that they actually pay per course. So as you see here, this entire MBA in one course award-winning is for $10. And most of the courses here are for $10, $10, and this is because they have running different offers. Here are the categories in which you can create different classes for you to earn money. And our second best way for you to get started making some money online is with a Skillshare. Like Udemy, Skillshare is a place where people come to learn something online. They can sign for a membership, and with this membership they can see all of these classes that are posted right here. So it's unlimited access to more than 24,000 classes, and they have different categories to choose from, like design, illustration, business, technology, photo and film, entrepreneurship, and writing, as many others. So you can definitely make a lot of money with this website by creating classes. And the best part is that if you create classes for Udemy, you can also upload these classes to Skillshare and make money on both sites with the same class. Here on Skillshare, you will be paid by how many minutes people have watched your class, and obviously the better the classes, the more interested for people, the more minutes you will have viewed by their students, and obviously the more money you will be making here with Skillshare. So this makes Skillshare another great way for making passive income online. So you've made it all the way to the number one way to making money online, and let me congratulate you on that. Not that many people take this seriously, and that is the main reason why they will never make a penny. But since you're here, this means that you are different and you're really interested in making real money online. So I have reserved you this method that will make your bank account grow like you've never seen before. But before we get into that, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so we can let you know as soon as we have new important information on making real money online. Also, give this video a thumbs up, press that like button now, and we can keep giving you more and more videos every week. Now, back to the number one method. I want you to know all about this in real depth and learn exactly how to do it. So, to get this exclusive, complete method, just go down to the description below this video and click on our number one recommended way to make money online. You will get all the information you need to get started today, but you must take action now. If you have any other question or you want me to explain in more depth one of these methods, please leave a comment below. We love to read you all. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.